In the last lecture, you got access to the course notes and the official Facebook page. And in this lecture, I want to share the one thing that I think could really transform your marketing results and ensure you have success with marketing for years to come. And it's something that took me almost 2 years to figure out. I wish someone had just told me this when I started. It would have saved me so much time. And it's not a particular tool or tactic. It's in fact the mindset and the approach that you take to marketing. You see, the best marketers are like Albert Einstein here. They take a very scientific and systematic approach to marketing. So what I want to share with you in this lecture is a 6-step process or framework about how you should really think about growing your business. The first thing that you want to do is really address a specific problem. For example, how can I get 1,000 email subscribers in 30 days? And that's why in this course, in each of the 12 projects, I've broken it down into a clear goal that you can really shoot for. Now, the second thing that you want to do once you've got your goal identified is to do some research. Go out there, look at the marketing guides for how you can achieve that goal and really get it all pulled into one document. Now, step number 3, create a hypothesis. Once you've got a list of the potential strategies, you want to start to estimate which of those marketing activities will have the biggest impact towards reaching your goal. Now, step number 4, perhaps the most important, start to experiment. You need to test some of those marketing activities to verify your hypothesis before you spend too much time or money on a specific marketing tactic. Step number 5 then, to analyze, document your learnings using the data that you've collected. And step number 6, do more of what is working. This is actually the advice that I give out the most often to people when I meet them if they want to grow their business, is just do more of what's working. You don't need to be on every marketing channel. If you want to grow your business, it doesn't mean that you have to do something new or crazy. So often it's just that you need to double down on what's working and do more of what is working. So in short, don't follow the marketing guides blindly. More than likely your audience is different, your products is different, and your business model is different. So you need to be a creative and really find out what works for you. Now, with that said, I think in this course, I've done a lot of the heavy lifting for you in terms of what are the goals that you should be shooting for in a logical sequence. I've done the research, I've experimented, I've tested it, I've done the analysis. But even outside of this course, I think that is the framework, that scientific approach that you should really be using. And that is also why in this course, I really focused on teaching you a data-driven approach to marketing. We're going to look at YouTube analytics, Facebook insights, Google analytics, really for all the platforms we work on. You're going to really understand what is working based on the numbers. So I hope that you found that useful. Think of yourself more like an Albert Einstein as you go through this course and approach your marketing. And in the next lecture, before we really dive into the projects, I want to share with you 5 of the best free digital marketing tools that I use on a daily basis. I'll see you there.